all together again, once again, with a special drink offered by a special family in Boston. First of all, let me thank the San Filippo's family from Boston. They sent this amazing sangria. We are in Azana, Florida. I'm in a great company with beautiful people. We would like to start from my right, okay? First we toast. Let's toast again. Salute, salute, salute. In the meantime, Anthony, thank you so much. Thank you so much for gifting us this sangria. We love you and we miss you. So, let's toast. Salute, 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 and salute. Hey, Rosella, salute.
Oh, let me say thanks to Anne and Anthony. Chi siete buagi? A salute vostra.
Yes, this is Sicilian. Picciotti salute. Where is my camera? Anthony ed Anne, siete sempre meglio, vi volemo troppo bene, vi ringraziamo assai, siete i meglio, proprio i meglio. This is Sicilian.
Thank you again. This was an unexpected surprise and really you want me cry. So I'm really touched. We wait for you in Sicily to toast together.
So, Rosella, would you like to introduce our friends? A very quick introduction.
Yes, sure. You have the microphone. You are the art director of our Facebook page, so you can do with Liz. We want also to let me say also thanks to Liz because she's hosting us in the most warming way. We found a lot of surprises in her house. A lot. What are you doing?
I know.
What are you doing?
Are you filming yourself or
ours? No, you are filming you. Now I'm filming you. Sorry guys, too much sangria. We are drinking too much, so sorry. Could you please tell in a better English what I'm trying to say about Liz, please?
I only say that I love Liz. Liz is one of the most beautiful person I've ever met in my life. It's one of the most beautiful person I've ever met in my life. She's an angel. She's hosting us in her house, and we can be happier to see Liz again. We had the opportunity to meet Liz in last June. Is it correct? We spent a couple of weeks, no, something less, 12 days, 13 days together all around Sicily, and then we ended our tour of Sicily visiting our ancestral hometown, Agira in Sicily. And now we can see Liz again here in Florida. We are in Azana, right? Very, very close to her house, and we had the opportunity to have met beautiful people. Sicily lovers, also Italy lovers. Maybe they don't have necessarily a Sicilian origin, but they are beautiful people. Some people will visit Sicily very soon, some other people will visit Sicily next year. Some other people, we hope they visit Sicily also very soon. And so, when you come back to Sicily again? This is a secret. Would you reveal? Can I reveal it? And Liz will move to Sicily. She's waiting to be an Italian citizen to move to Sicily. So it's our turn. So, Patricia.
Howdy, Patricia. Hello. Thank you for the vino. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.
Mark.
We will see you in Sicily soon.
Kathy, and we're looking forward to coming again.
One more Mark.
And another Mark.
Another Mark.
Thank you so very much.
Yes.
No, we have Jennifer.
Hi.
She's shy.
I am shy.
He's your friend, you're the shy one.
Yeah, well, my sister Katie. She's even shyer than I am.
Katie, we love you. Say hello to our friends.
Hello, friends.
Liz, I'm coming to you again. And then we have Linda. Look at the camera. Say hello to our friends.
I'm so happy to finally meet you in person. I've been following them for 3 years, and they're amazing.
We wait for you
I
in
will
Sicily.
come. Yes.
Also you, of course.
Oh yeah, well yeah, she'll bring me with her, so we'll be fine. Yes,
Bring your husband with you.
we're looking forward to going back.
Okay, so Liz, don't cry. It's not time to
We
cry.
also have our Sicily Lover flag. Show the Sicily Lover flag, Gianca.
Liz, say something wherever you want. No, please.
No, I won't cry.
Be free to. You can also say bad words in Sicilian. You know bad words.
I won't say any
This
bad
is your chance
This is
because nobody understands.
This is an amazing opportunity to have Gianca and Rosella in my home. I feel honored and blessed to have their company. I can't wait to get back to Sicily. And for anybody who's considering going to Sicily, don't hesitate. Just pack your bags, call Gianca and Rosella, tell them what you want to do, and just go. There's no reason not to go. And truly, if you want to go on the group tour, out of this world, fantastic. You want to do a private tour, even better. You can't go wrong.
But I didn't ask you to make advertising. Now I have to pay you.
Yes.
I asked to
want
talk
more
about
wine.
Sicily.
Oh, Sicily.
Talk about your ancestral
It's
island.
when I was there, I was fortunate enough to go to Agira, which is the town of my ancestors. It was a very emotional and wonderful experience. I was able to see the records of my great-grandparents' birth, marriage, baptism. It was truly unbelievable. And Gianca and Rosella arranged everything for me. It was an unbelievable experience. But being of Sicilian origin, when you're in Sicily, you somehow feel at home. It feels where you belong. And it's an experience you can't describe in words. It's just something you feel. And so if you have the opportunity, like I said, pack your bags, just go, don't hesitate.
Show your t-shirt. And also the collar, the earring.
And then of course, if you want to buy...
She's 100% Sicilian.
Okay.
She's our perfect testimonial.
From SicilyLover.com, these handmade Sicilian items, as well as the hand-painted t-shirt that you can wash and it comes out okay. I promise.
That's important.
Yes, the way I eat.
Would you like to say hello to Daniela and Ionella? For those?
Ciao Daniela e Ionella.
Ionella, yes.
Ionella, come stai?
Ciao Daniela. Ciao Ionella. Rosella, come with me.
Spero
I wanna-
tutto va bene.
Yes. Tutto va bene, tutto va bene.
So excited about this Sicily Lovers meeting here in Ozona near Harbour. And for those who don't know, our next Sicily Lovers meeting will be in Fort Lauderdale. Sorry for my bad pronunciation about this.
Say again.
Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale.
Very good.
On February 4th.
Say again. Fort?
Stop! Are you kidding me?
It's so beautiful to hear Rosella saying fort. Fort.
It's so hard for me to say this word, and too much sangria. Again, thanks to to Anthony and Ann Sanfilippo for this amazing surprise.
Picciotti, grazie. Siete meglio. Vi volemo troppo bene. We love you. Okay.
And it's time maybe to enjoy our meal.
Yes.
And to spend time with our Sicily lovers.
Thanks for all the people who wished us a great cruise.
Oh yes.
We had a great time in the Caribbean islands.
We had no time to reply to everyone because we had no internet on the cruise. We decided to have just a limited amount of internet on the cruise to save, to be sure to enjoy our vacation. Because you know, after 4 years, we enjoy a vacation for the first time again after 4 years. So we need to refresh. Look at my face, no lines anymore.
Look at me.
I'm young.
Maybe I exaggerated with the sun bath.
So it's time to say...
Would you like to say something about our next steps in Florida?
Tomorrow we will spend a day in Clearwater with Leeds, and then in Honeymoon Island.
Yes.
Then we will move to visit Animal Kingdom, and then
we will meet other beautiful people.
The Naples.
Dan and John Naples, we are coming.
In Loveland. Please don't feed us too much. Look how we get fat. After the
Guys,
cruise.
you don't even imagine my beer belly, how my beer belly is now.
We don't need to eat much more food, that's enough. So
don't feed Rosella.
No, I'm like a turkey during the Thanksgiving, stuffed. So I feel the same.
Oh my God.
And then we will visit the most important Disney parks.
Yes.
So now it's time to say bye-bye with all our friends. So, this way, it's time to say all together. So, love, hugs, and kisses.